Page 93 is, they call it an American Fiddle Tune. It's actually a turkey in the straw. It's a common, it's kind of a folk tune for, America, United States. 4/4 time, right hand first. You're G and a D. You're in this position. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's slow this down. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and. Then you rest. And then the next measure when you come in is 4 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Sort of. And then the rest of it's about the same as that. Last line is similar to the first line. Left hand, you're starting with G and D here, so in this G position here, and then in the second line you have a G chord. It's a chord, 3 note, and the G's on the bottom, a G or a G major chord if you want a G chord. So it's a 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Then at the end of the line it is a C and a D together. And then the next one is a chord. You get that some more. Put the hands together. Here, G position. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. And you can add the articulation. We have accents, just give it a little extra oomph. I don't know why you have accents with a loud. This is loud, but they did. Okay, fine. They want you to then staccatos. Accent. I don't agree with that at all, but that's what they did. Okay, and then slurs. Short staccatos. Staccatos and the slurs. The last line you got accents again. I don't know why, but they did. Then staccatos. And they're not accented staccato, they're just staccato. And then the last chord is a staccato and an accent. Give a little extra oomph. 1, 2, 3. So you lift up on this as you play that. So that's by itself. Then we add the dynamics. It's loud at the beginning, but with the accents it goes up a little bit. Now you come down to moderately soft. That's the melody. So these chords in the left hand have to be very soft. At this part, that's melody. You bring that up. But the chords, soft. Then at the end of the third line, you crescendo a little bit up to moderately loud. There's not a lot of difference between moderately soft and moderately loud. It's just a little louder, so don't get carried away. Then you're loud again. Speed-wise, it's moderato, although this is usually a pretty fast little piece. Here. To me, I think really allegro would be a little more. Actually, it's in between moderato and allegro. It's on the fast side of moderato. So it's up to you. You have to play it accurately, and the eighth notes have to be even. All that has, wherever the eighth notes are, they got to be even and controlled. So that may slow you down a little bit. Then on top of all that, they've added pedal at the beginning and the end, sort of. I don't know, again, I don't see why. You do it just fine without pedal, but they've added it, so let's talk pedal. Now here, because it's loud and it's accented, I'm going to push the pedal down with it. I want to release the dampers immediately, so I'm going to push the pedal down with it. I can almost push the pedal down before it and have the dampers already lifted, so when I play it, it's an explosion of sound. That works too. You experiment with each of these, because most of the time you push the notes down and then the pedal. So you start the sound before you release the overtones. But in this, when you're starting out like this, sometimes with these accented loud chords, it's better to just let the dampers go first and then play it. So it's... And then in the third measure, as you play that first note, lift the pedal so it's staccato. And then we don't use the pedal again until the bottom, and it's the same thing. So that's the pedal. I'd like to play this with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I will go ahead and pedal it like they're showing. Yeah, I'll give us 4 counts. Let's go over it very slowly. 1, 2, ready, go. 2. 2, 3, and. Rest. 2, 2. 2. 1, 2, rest.